everyone, Rod Egan here, Worldwide Auctioneers, standing at our facility here in Auburn, Indiana, the home of the classics. Standing by a great car, world-renowned. Everybody knows what a Gullwing is. Certainly one of the most iconic cars ever built, and in my opinion, one of the best driving sports cars built as well. 1955, this particular example, so limited production. These Gullwings were only made 4 years, 54 to 57. This was delivered March 55. And this particular car has had a great history, great roster of ownership. The late Don Williams, Richie Klein back in the day. It had an extensive restoration done to it and was enjoyed by the owner at that point for several years and then recently acquired. And right before the current owner of the car got it, this car was sent to the shop that everybody knows is Rudi's. So if you're a 300 SL person, you know exactly who I'm talking about and you know the quality of work. Straight down to bare metal, respray was done, and what you get is a almost flawless, really black car. I say almost because you can see everything in the world in the black car, and I challenge you to find any imperfections on this one. Great car. Great handling cars, and again, one of the most iconic there is. So we're actually going to jump in, take it for a spin, and see how it goes. All right, let's roll. Definitely one of my favorite sports cars ever. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. This is the Gullwing configuration. Put about 15 or 20 miles on this car, and I can honestly say it's as good as any Gullwing I've driven, and I've driven several. Goes through the gears great, acceleration is fantastic, no hesitation, brakes, turns, accelerate through the corners, everything you want and everything you would hope for in a 300 SL. You know, the expectation level in the 300 SL is pretty high since these cars are built so well, and it certainly doesn't fail to make a great impression. It's phenomenal. Every curve, every straightaway, every stop for the stop sign, and the occasional wave to everybody that we're driving by right now. So up speed. I mean, these cars are basically a street version of a race car. They're engineered, bred to go fast, and this is, like all of them, fast when you want it to. The other thing I love about this car, and certainly the 300 SL in general, is it's got, for a car that's a very good performing car, it's got excellent road manners. It's one you can literally get in and drive anywhere, anytime you want. So you get the benefits of both. If you want to take it out, you know, long tours and rallies, which I've done in 300 SLs, it's phenomenal. You can hit some of those winding roads, take those roads at speed, and really, you know, you get to drive, right? It's fantastic. It gets the blood pumping a little bit, and the car is fantastic in every regard when you do that. And then when you just feel like going out for a little tour, or you're just going to go grab some groceries if you want, it's a hell of a grocery getter, but it'll do that for you. It's pretty awesome. Another thing I love about these cars is I'm kind of tall. I'm 6'3", and most of my height's in my back, and I got plenty of room here, a couple of inches. So for guys like me, tall guys that, you know, you wonder, hey, I don't even know if I would fit in one of those, there's a very good chance you'll fit and enjoy the experience as much as I do. It's pretty awesome. Over the railroad tracks, no big rattles, squeaks, or anything. This car is really solid. When they did this car, they did a fantastic job. We're back, just spent about an hour, a real rough hour. One of the terrible parts of my job is having to go through the gears in a car like this. Great hour, well spent time. And as you can see, this car has been very well cared for, very well maintained, and it presents in fantastic condition. The color combo, in my opinion, is fantastic. You get the plaid that pops in these, very also iconic within the car itself. And if you just look at the condition of this car in general, I mean, nothing was left out. Everything, every detail, headliners in here, which sometimes are not always great. Dash is good. Like I said, the interior is brand new. The luggage, what a touch. Fantastic with the luggage. And everything else of this car, original engine, incredibly important in a car like this. It needs almost nothing is how I would wrap this up after driving it. So if you are in the market for a great 300 SL, this should be on your list. This should be a car that you look at for sure. We're selling this car Labor Day, so come see us in Auburn, Indiana on the 28th, 9th, and 30th of August, last weekend of August. Huge weekend. There will be this car and several hundred other great cars. Looking forward to seeing you at the auction.